In the sterile bay, the robotic crane ensures the pre-preg sheets are completely stabilized before the cutting stage.
The robotic systems precisely grade the carbon fiber, routing the high-density weave to the monocoque chassis.
The transcription is a single line summarizing the most salient spoken content in the 8-second video.
This stabilization guarantees the final rigidity and structural perfection of the Lamborghini Huracán STO monocoque chassis.
The Alcantara material is fed through an automated cutting machine using digital patterns, then a worker.
Check the resistance levels on the main harness. Looks good from here. The clamps are secure.
A robust AGV lifts the rigid, matte Aranceli strap.
overview of the completed Lamborghini Huracan STO monocoque chassis structures.
Timeline is green, confirming the Huracan Borealis chassis is ready for automated transfer to Process B. Display. The camera tracks along the edge of the matte Huracan Borealis structure, showing the precise application of temporary The protective barrier ensures the completed chassis in Process A remain isolated from the active workflow of the dashboard module assembly in Process B. We'll see this gig. The automated retrieval sequence initiates. The AGV aligns itself, and once the VIN is confirmed, a close-up print chart is finished. The rigid chassis aligns perfectly with the robotic, completing Process A. The Process B integration requires meticulous alignment to prevent interference with the primary wiring looms. This connection completes the loop, allowing the sensors to communicate directly with the digital instrument cluster of the fixed-size dashboard module. The lightweight carbon fiber fenders and hood, also finished in matte Huracan Borealis, are carefully aligned and secured onto the rigid chassis. Process B integration is complete. The final diagnostics confirm successful functionality of the driver control interface.
VIN verified against the manifest. It's a match.
All right, destination confirmed. Seal the transport.
All checks complete. The vehicle is confirmed for transport.
From the factory floor to the open road, Precision Logistics deliver the Huracan STO across the globe. The flawless Arancio Borealis finish, achieved through rigorous Process A, ensures a consistent velvet